Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to our YouTube channel, where we set off on journeys of self-discovery, mindfulness, and personal growth. Today, we delve deeply into meditation's profound importance while investigating its life-altering potential. Meditation offers an oasis of peace amid life's chaotic pace. Not just relaxing, meditation allows us to discover its magic within and explore what's hidden there, like an adventure journey into ourselves, wherein we become the Indiana Jones of our own consciousness. Meditation is about mindfulness and awareness. Imagine it as an invitation, inviting you inward with gentle nudges, helping to draw your gaze inward, leaving the hustle of daily life behind and being fully present in this very moment. Meditation helps quieten the chatter in your head, like tuning in to an innocent stream that sings its soothing melodies to you. Meditation provides an oasis of stillness in an otherwise chaotic world, like finding shelter from sudden rainstorms. Through simple techniques like focused breathing and mindful attention, your body and mind gradually relax. Tension will fade as you let go of the chaos outside. Meditation isn't about finding peace, it's about mastering yourself. Through practice, you'll uncover layers of thoughts, emotions, and desires you never knew existed, just like peeling back an onion's layers to reveal its core essence. Meditation has the incredible capacity to stimulate an overwhelming feeling of interconnection. Imagine meditation as a magic mirror that shows the threads connecting you with every corner of existence. When exploring deeper levels of your consciousness, you'll come to appreciate that there's more going on here than you ever could imagine. An awakening will come through deep meditation, when boundaries between yourself and everything dissolve and you become one with everything. Meditation offers a profound shift in perspective. You'll view the world without biases or judgment, recognizing each living creature for who it truly is, while your actions become guided by empathy rather than rigid judgmentalism. Meditation isn't simply about exploring your inner world. It also serves as an avenue for contemplating life's mysteries. Imagine gazing upon an expansive cosmos, witnessing nature at its finest, and contemplating consciousness itself. This is exactly how meditation should feel. These moments of quiet reflection offer us glimpses into an infinite universe. While meditation won't provide instantaneous answers to life's greatest mysteries, it will hopefully spark curiosity within yourself about who and why we exist, something quick fixes won't achieve. Meditation provides access to this deeper level of truth, but instead sparks curiosity from within your soul and sparks greater inquiry within yourself. Meditation's impact extends well beyond personal enlightenment. It also has profound ripples through relationships. Meditation acts like an invisible breeze that brings patience, empathy, and understanding into everyday interactions by heightening presence and active listening skills. Valuable commodities in today's fast-paced society that enable you to move past surface-level friendships toward deep, meaningful bonds, almost like having access to someone's heart. However, meditation can often be challenging. It may become an up-and-down ride as your thoughts take turns racing through them, leaving the restless mind, the ego, and any hidden traumas to surface, along with inner shadows that have lain dormant for decades. Meditation provides a magical solution, turning challenges into opportunities through contemplative practice. Instead of shying away from them, instead facing them head-on will strengthen both courage and compassion, like an antidote for your soul. By simply watching thoughts and emotions without judgment, you'll develop detachment as your superpower. Free from past and future worries, you remain grounded in the present moment like a tree with deep roots. As you embark upon your meditation journey, expect moments of profound insight. These profound aha moments may not be earth-shattering at first, but they'll gradually alter your worldview. Just a flash may do. Meditation paves a pathway towards self-realization as layers of conditioning, social expectations, and false identities gradually peel back away to reveal your true essence, like twinkling stars in your night sky that shed light upon realities you hadn't known about until that point. And yet your true nature doesn't exist separately from the grand symphony of existence. You are part of an orchestra of cosmos. Meditation shows us that our perception of self and reality are simply illusions. Individuality exists only temporarily as an expression of universal consciousness. Meditation opens up doors of transcendence, like jumping into an ocean of divine wisdom flowing with creation. And best of all, this journey can be experienced universally. Meditation isn't simply a practice, it's an invitation to embark on an inner journey towards self-realization, spiritual fulfillment, and personal empowerment. If this journey resonates with you, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and join our community of explorers. Together, we'll unlock meditation's full power while discovering the secrets within. Until next time, keep practicing meditation, discovering more things of beauty around us, and spreading that light across the planet.